Mensah-Akutteh. Yes, any Nkomo or Ghana Water Company Limited production manager. Yani ni Nkomo Ashanti region. Penny Utiminka. Baja Pombo Kodie. Bajo say Udino Manyani ye.
Dr. Hanson Mensah-Akutteh.
Yes, Akutteh. Yes. If I report a bay from Konfanoche, me and free ho. What is happening? Edia na ekoso ama Konfanoche for some days. Omo nsu atwa wo ho no mo ama omo go through a lot. But obetima boy me atia say what is actually happening.
But you. I think basically last week on the 17th to 18th, I said we are going to do some retrofitting the system. Yeah, improving flow and pressures in the system. Until you call off on the 17th and 18th, the announcement will be at Emma Cassas in April. So we didn't announce it on the 11th to give them 1 week period which we asked you so that 2 days they will not suffer so much. I mean, Charlie, it's me we now on the 18th floor. And now they take you off and it's in that by. But we discovered say we know Obia issue until the Saturday year and now pipes do metro mass distribution pipes or metro mass. And see, line on part of the line is free Konfanoche. So we saw the pressure into the Konfanoche not a drop it. And all my associates and they acquire not a yampa. So we have worked on to actually some valves. And I think when with respect to the map was show. Fortunately, so no. And then it's really be fine. I'm a winning issue. But I'll probably my sister or my drop it precious kakra. We will go and still increase the pressures for them. We are monitoring for a while, but I think the solution we are under control. Yeah.
So
the entire Kumasi is working. Barricades is working, or is working without any stoppages. Obia an issue. That's enclave all the while.
Oh, I see. But does that mean that who catches no pay Konfanoche no a flow?
Yes, but pressure here very low because in Rano, kakra from 8 p.m. we were having water. I don't pay empty line because we bring or something. Not pressure not okay. So we're going to do some fuel isolation and improve the pressure to get that the amount of pressure near brother up amount Alopia that you can get the water to go.
But the question will be that young Timmy will tell me how a Konfanoche facility in the city any pressure or so once and when we are doing some of these things, young Timmy need special arrangement and almost such that it will not affect them to that extent. So
that's what we are doing now. Now we are taking because the priority at Konfanoche. We are taking some lines out so we can build the pressures because the line is bigger, but there are many connections on them. We are here to have a dedicated line to Konfanoche, which we are almost done. We'll finish that probably by the nearest future NTBI lines. That line is dedicated strictly to Konfanoche, which we are on the NTBI lines.
And say no. Juma now some more year Juma be a kind of modern statement by about so I may runabout interchange, cables near the animal year Juma, more pipes and animal year Juma near the face our number person more year drew because we had reports here were areas be asset and now man for still complaining say areas be more taps and flu.
Okay.
So, my view, and do we have any other challenge? Be a more young Juma and also be affecting areas. Be
okay. In now, so far, the entrance at some interchange in Nadia, every time in there to connect to the main lines water to flow. Just that we discovered at the airport one. Pack be pile and by just CC that one has been made and the supply towards KMUST Darling And all this one they call Bokum Bank on also fully out. Once you repair in that. But currently we are paying. I could be a metro mass hormone. That is what I said was feeding the Kofanochi, but now we are still going to another lane. So that pressure to be brought to Self-Kofanochi. I see a line is deep buried right in the middle of the road. Drug carried road near no plan. And Osania call so on. That's the we have closed that line, which is probably be a shame. We are trying to get the things and get it done as soon as possible. That's the only enclave. We have the terminators of vows here. We said beyond that, but that area, Honona, absolutely here, you be with as soon as possible.
And the airport runabout, nay, and Rami Faho traffic and Edia Bapanya Sem Kitwa. What we are Jumano?
You monitor the leakage and buy the cat.
Oh, okay. Because that was a question, and I can be say movie. Now, the Tia Motugu ran about to Sumaja and Hosa because men ran found that traffic. And yes, I'm getting so much monitor, say leakage via ma. Now, my catasu. For how long they be taking you to monitor?
Oh, sometimes precious normalize, actually by 3 days to cover.
Okay, I see. Now, Mami Musa, where about Galamsey?
Okay.
The effect of water production in the region. And say, as a more yantimonka, now maybe a 2 months ago, now, with statement, and say situation a critical, I was say, you heard near 2 morning a day. Your efforts and penny within the region. Yes, or you bet me abuano more water bodies, no, or more free summer, more so Masumanjumo. Are you okay at the moment? Is the situation better compared to 2 months ago?
I think it's early to talk on this issue now because it has not changed much though. But I think there's a sign of improvement there. By the warning now, people are actually demobilizing their equipment and leaving the site. But I can tell you that there are many of them who are still there who don't want to even understand their fuel. They are still working at the guarantee sites. All the enclave of Konongo has been taken over by the guarantees. The same problem is there. But we have asked, let's say, last 2 months, yes, should be, or that's only in Kakada. But I'm to say it's off and on. So we need a permanent stationary security guys probably ward them off permanently from coming back to the site to do those calamity activities over there.
Okay. And the no still no pressure now that so affecting production.
Yes, there's an but I'm sure as time goes on, there'll be improvement.
I see. Mama now I say na yemfa wusi that's no pain. Right. So for on the Ashanti Region Ghana Water Company production manager. I don't know, Dr. Hanson Mensah-Akutteh. And Yanina didn't come on until that is the good news is that Omatimi Ashena or more rectify whatever na ekoso. I'll say pressure on the offem. Minya Ibrahim.